Hello YouTubers, and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs. Today we have another unboxing, and it's no gadgets, it's not a drone, it's some tools. So I won't mess about, I should get on with it, and I'll explain to you why I bought these in a second. Let's get undone. If I tear it open. Well packaged. It's actually a bag with tools in it. So, oh look, it's open slightly. So yeah, normal Amazon packaging, nice and strong. So Splint Tech, I think that's how you pronounce it. Splint Tech, see that? It's a little toolkit, and what it's for is for making your own network cables or the connections on the end, connecting them all together. So just show you the insides for anyone who's well, you're going to know what it's for anyway, because obviously I should give it this video a title and you'll see what it's for anyway. So there you go. So that's a tester for when you're finished, and so they put one on one end, one on the other, and if you get all your green lights, I think it scrolls down, goes through, there's eight wires, so it scrolls right down to the 8 and tells you if everything's connected properly. And then you've got your crimper thing, which is crush your connections together. That's more for things like telephone line connections, if you want to do telephone connection. And obviously you've got your Phillips screwdriver and your normal flathead screwdriver. And that's another connector for pushing wires into the little cut things. I'm not sure what that one's for yet. And obviously you've got your crimpers. So I bought this, I think it's only like $12.99, something like that. Wasn't expensive, but I see these, some of these are going for a ridiculous amount of money, like £300. I thought, where the hell do they cost so much? For what it is, I mean, this should be good enough for what I want it to do. I've never done this before, by the way. I've done, I've made my own telephone line connections on the end when they broke, you know, and obviously the little clips on these sometimes break off, but I've never done one of these, so I wanted to have a go, so I thought I'd have a go. So that's why I bought this for $12.99. I'll stick a link in the description. Please click on it and have a look and see what you think, you know, if you're into this sort of thing. I watched a couple of videos on how to do it, and I thought, yeah, it's quite easy to do. You just got to be patient, you know, learn a bit, obviously read. So let's do it back up. That's a nice little case, quite a solid case. Yeah. It's got everything in there, like I say, I need. Yeah, the reason is I've got a cable at the back behind my printer, and it's about 5 meters too long, and I just want to cut it down to a sensible size. It's probably maybe even longer than that, and I've had it for years, but it serves a good purpose because it runs right into my living room and runs all my devices in there, because I prefer to run them hardwired if I can, rather than on wireless. I mean, my TV over there, that's wireless, but then my router's only here. My other Kodi box, or my TV box, that's over there, that's all set up wireless, so that's not a problem. But in my living room, I don't think it would be a problem, but I prefer it to be hardwired, so that's why I've got the lead running right through the house, and I want to chop that lead down. So what I want to do is doing the video for the unboxing, or the unpacking in this case, and then I want to do either a continuing video where I do a test. I'm going to make up a test lead and put the connections on to make sure I can do it properly first before I cut that one, because if I cut that one and I sort it up and I can't do it, I'm pretty sure I can, then obviously I'm going to have to buy a whole new lead, and I don't want to mess about doing that when I should be able to do it myself and cut to it right then. I'm not going to cut it too short, obviously. I want to have a bit of slack there. That's what I'm going to do. So anyway, that's the reason for this video. So if this video is not too long, and the other one's not too long, I'll stick them all together and make it one video. But if this one comes out too long, then obviously I'll do a part 1 and a part 2. So for now, thank you for watching. If you have any comments, please post them below. And if you like my video, give me a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. And please subscribe. Thank you for watching.